Setting short-term and long-term goals is an important part of student success. This workshop will teach you how to set goals you can achieve and improve your academic performance. So, why should you set goals? Studies show that successful students routinely set achievable academic goals. Goal setting focuses the mind, forces you to be specific, and requires you to manage your time to complete tasks. While in college, you may experience low motivation, personal problems, or anxiety. Applying a goal-setting strategy will help you get back on track while boosting your confidence as a student. We will be using the SMART goal-setting strategy. This is an effective tool that helps guide the goal-setting process. SMART goals are intended to focus attention and resources on what is most important so that you can be successful in achieving your priorities. The S in the SMART acronym stands for specific. Goals that are specific have a greater chance of being accomplished. To make a goal specific, you'll want to consider asking yourself questions such as who is involved in this goal, what do I want to accomplish, when do I want to achieve this goal, and why do I want to achieve this goal. For example, a general goal would be, I want to get an A in my history class. A more specific goal would be, I want to get an A in my history class by completing assigned readings, meeting with my professor, and completing papers at least 1 week ahead of time. The M in the SMART acronym stands for measurable. A goal must have criteria for measuring progress. To make a goal measurable, ask yourself, how do I know if I have reached my goal, and what is my indicator of progress? Consider using midterm grades or individual assignments to measure your goal progress. The A in the SMART acronym stands for Retainable. The achievability of the goal should be stretched to make you feel challenged, but defined well enough that you can actually achieve it. Ask yourself, do I have the resources and capabilities to achieve the goals? And have others done it successfully before? This part of the SMART goal relies more on you. For example, if you have struggled with math before, is it obtainable for you to say that you're going to get an A? Make sure to be honest with yourself. The R in the SMART acronym stands for realistic and relevant. A goal must be relevant in that it can be realistically achieved given the available resources and time. For example, if you are in your second year of college with a 2.5 cumulative GPA, it is not realistic to set a goal of having a cumulative 3.0 GPA at the end of the current semester. The last letter in the SMART acronym is T and stands for timely. An effective goal must be time-bound in that it has a start and finish date. If the goal is not time-constrained, there will be no sense of urgency or motivation to achieve the goal. If you don't set a time frame, it allows you an escape hatch. Deadlines will increase motivation. Pictured is a template you can use when making a SMART goal. This can help you organize your thoughts and visualize the goal you want to reach. Now that you have learned an effective goal-setting strategy, you can go achieve your goals and improve your academic performance.